everyone. Welcome back to RTS and happy Thanksgiving. So I wanted to pop in just for a minute and I wanted to wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving, and also to say that I am thankful for all of you. I'm thankful to my subscribers, and I'm also thankful for this hobby because it really is something that adds to my life. And so I have a giveaway here, and then I also have something added to this giveaway because one of my subscribers would like to pay it forward, and I'm so amazed that she did this. Okay, so what we have for this giveaway is I have some Bo Bunny items, and we played with this in our Kit Crunch in October, this beautifully brisk. I will have that playlist linked below. And so we have the Bo Bunny double dot jewels in that beautiful brown, and then we have Bo Bunny in layered chipboard. Now this set said 7 pieces, but when I counted, I only saw 6, so I got my bread bowl here and I added a bread. I thought it went with that. So there's an extra bread in there. And then I have some Bo Bunny double dot jewels in that beautiful brown. And then I have Beautifully Brisk, that floral stamp set. Beautifully Brisk, that lovely little deer. And then also the Bo Bunny Beautifully Brisk, this foliage stamp. And so it's just a little giveaway I wanted to put together to say that I'm thankful for all of you. I'm thankful for all of you who leave comments and suggestions and just wonderful encouragement. It means a lot to me. So to add with this, one of my lovely subscribers who does not want to be named wanted to pay it forward because she reads in the comments that this is something that a lot of people didn't have, and so she ordered it, sent it to me, and she wanted to be part of a giveaway. So I thought that's exactly what I would do. So what do we have? We have a medium Fiskars hexagon punch, and you know with Fiskars, lifetime warranty. So isn't that special? So then along with that, she paid it forward with the large Fiskars hexagon punch. Again, lifetime warranty with Fiskars. And then let's just round this up. And what did she pay it forward with? The extra large hexagon Fiskars punch. And so you know, if you've watched this channel, that these Fiskars hexagon punch is basically a staple. It's a basic tool in my scrapbooking because there's so much you can do with it, and we use it all the time. So to my lovely subscriber who paid it forward, I want to thank you for being so kind. You don't even want to be named, and that just makes you even more special. So I'm just really tickled that she wanted to pay it forward, and paying it forward in such a fun manner. These are awesome punches, and this is a really nice gift. And so I wanted to add it with these Bo Bunny items. So a little thankful for all of you giveaway. So what do you have to do? Of course, be 18 or older, be a subscriber. This does have to be USA only because of the weight of these punches. It's quite heavy. And then also, I want you to post a comment about something that is a fall tradition. Some of you may not celebrate Thanksgiving, so that's okay. What is just a fall tradition? If you have a Thanksgiving tradition, please list that below because I love reading and have you recorded that story. So something that we always do on Thanksgiving Day, it's a tradition, is that I get up before everybody else. I get the turkey in the oven, and then of course when everybody else wakes up, the Macy's Day Parade is going on, and so it's the smells and sounds of Thanksgiving that is the tradition in our family. And so it's just amazing. I had said to my little one, well, maybe we could, go to a restaurant and do Thanksgiving this year. She says, no, it's tradition. And so as you have little ones and as they get older, always keep with those traditions because they don't forget them. And so, yes, Macy's Day Parade and the turkey in the oven. That is our tradition. And then I always usually make cinnamon rolls. And so that's just a Thanksgiving tradition. And getting ready for that big Thanksgiving dinner. So I wanted to say I'm thankful for all of you. Happy Thanksgiving and happy yard bird. That is what we call it. The yard bird. I hope you enjoy your yard bird today. Absolutely. So come back to RTS because you never know what we're gonna do. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.